Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move files, videos, and photos to a USB drive from your Windows PC. So you can see I have this little USB drive right here, and I'm going to transfer this over right now. I'm going to plug this in to the front slot. Now this should pop up. If it doesn't, we'll have to go to File Explorer. So you can see on my computer it popped up immediately. I have two files in here. If we go to the bottom right, we can change this to thumbnails, and we can see what we have on here. But here's File Explorer. If it doesn't pop up, just right click on this and open this up right here. And then go on down to this PC. And then you can see your drive in here. You can unplug it, plug it back in. And you should see if it pops up. That's the new one. So we can go to this, left click on it, right click on it, and we can go to Format. And we can change the file system. So you can see file system EXFAT. We want to bring this over to EXFAT or FAT32 if we're going to use this on our phone or TV. If you have it to NTFS, just switch it. This will delete everything off your drive, however, if you switch this over, but you can just move everything over to your computer and then move it back. So I usually use that file system because most of what I use is EXFAT. NTFS will be your Xbox, I believe. You're going to be trying to use it on there. So let's click into my drive now. Here's the two photos. Go up to the plus icon, click this, and go down to your pictures or videos. So I got pictures right here. I can highlight them, go to select all if I want. So let's right click on them now and go to copy. So you can see these two are highlighted. I'm going to go back to my other tab here. Here's my E drive, right click and go to paste. Okay, so I have these in here now. And I can go back to this PC. Go to my drive, left click on it, right click on it, and go to where it says eject. Now I can safely remove it from my computer without worrying about data corruption. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.